Did you know that woodworking has been around for thousands of years? It's an age-old craft that's still thriving today. And in this video, we've got something special for you. We're about to reveal our list of top-selling items. You can make good money from any, or all of these, and more. With your skills, and using only basic shop tools, you can create some of the most lucrative and beautiful pieces you can imagine. From stunning cutting boards to mesmerizing wooden clocks, there's something here that will surely spark an idea or two. 1. First up, consider adding wooden cutting boards to your product line. Handcrafted from premium hardwoods, they're not just kitchen tools, they can be works of art. The eye appeal of intricate patterns, and the durability make cutting boards a must-have for hosting. Add some exotic hardwoods to the mix, and you can sell these at a premium, due to the unique aesthetics. 2. Exquisite charcuterie boards. Crafted from a variety of stunning hardwoods, these boards showcase intricate grain patterns and are perfect for serving cheese and other appetizers. 3. Custom picture frames. Intricately designed frames with hand-cut joinery and finishes to complement artwork. 4. Artisanal jewelry boxes. Handcrafted boxes with fine joinery, velvet linings, and unique designs. 5. Exquisite clocks. Wall, mantle, or grandfather clocks featuring precise movements and artistic woodwork. 6. Unique desk accessories. Pen holders, desk organizers, and file trays featuring custom woodwork. 7. Premium serving trays. Serving trays with elegant wood inlays or marquetry designs. 8. Custom planters. Indoor or outdoor planters with decorative features and woodwork. 9. Handcrafted lamps. Table or floor lamps with artistic wooden bases and shades. 10. Luxury wine accessories. Wine racks, bottle holders, and corkscrews with premium wood accents. 11. Wine bottle presentation boxes. Custom-made wooden boxes with intricate inlays and velvet interiors to showcase and gift fine wine bottles. 12. Artistic coasters. Coasters featuring intricate woodwork and inlays. 13. Custom knife blocks. Knife blocks with unique wood patterns and precise slots. 14. Tablet and smartphone stands. Stands with adjustable angles for hands-free device use. 15. Exquisite exotic wood bowls. Turned wooden bowls of all types and sizes, complete with fine finishes. 16. Handmade candle holders. Candle holders with elegant designs for decorative purposes. 17. Unique bookends. Bookends featuring artistic woodwork and attention to detail. 18. Custom puzzle boxes. Puzzle boxes with hidden compartments and intricate mechanisms. 19. Handcrafted puzzles. Intricately designed wooden puzzles for both children and adults. 20. Premium home decor. Decorative items like wall hangings, sculptures, and vases with fine woodwork. 21. Elegant bathroom accessories. Bath caddies, soap dishes, and tissue box covers with wood accents. 22. Wooden desk calendars. Perpetual desk calendars with fine woodwork. 23. Wooden home libraries. Custom-built home libraries with floor-to-ceiling wooden bookshelves and rolling ladders for book enthusiasts. Isn't it remarkable what can be achieved with only a few different shop tools? These projects offer opportunities for customization, allowing woodworkers to cater to specific customer preferences. Create these and command premium prices due to the craftsmanship and unique designs. Woodworking wizards are turning simple planks of wood into treasures. Whether your customers are looking for unique gifts or something special for their homes or offices, some of these pieces are bound to leave them in awe. We hope you've enjoyed this journey into the world of woodworking magic. If this video triggered any ideas for you, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss our upcoming videos. And remember, the world of woodworking is vast, so stay tuned for more money-making ideas right here on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.